Tayyaba Salman back with you again for some awesome fitness training topics and exercises. And today we have an amazing topic for all the people out there. बहुत सारे लोगों की queries मेरे पास आती हैं regarding young boys, young girls who are sitting at home. As you know, the whole pandemic situation and उसकी वजह से काफ़ी लोग affect हुए हैं, काफ़ी चीज़ें घर में shift हो गई हैं, काफ़ी schools are on these days, काफ़ी are off. So children have moved on to the gadgets too much. तो उसके लिए काफ़ी पेरेंट्स आर रियली वरीड बिकॉज इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर भी होता है वर्कआउट और कोई भी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी जो है वो हर तरह से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बच्चों के लिए भी बड़ों के लिए भी। इसकी वजह से ही बच्चों की लर्निंग डिसेबिलिटीज़ भी हो रही हैं, इसकी वजह से ही बच्चों को मोबिलिटी इश्यूज़ हो रहे हैं, बैलेंसिंग प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे हैं, छोटे छोटे बच्चों को इंजरीज आसानी से हो रही हैं एंड द रीज़न इज़ बिकॉज दे आर नॉट फिजिकली एक्टिव. So for this reason, today's hot topic is a surprise for all the mothers out there, all the people who have young siblings in their home, they are worried about them, who have children, and they are really worried कि उनके लिए क्या हमें करना चाहिए ऐसा घर में. घर में हम सब के पास शिकायतें होती हैं कि भाई जब तक कि कोई क्रिकेट ग्राउंड नहीं है, कोई फुटबॉल क्लब नहीं है, हम कैसे बच्चों को वर्कआउट कराएं. बट टुडे सर्किट इज़ रियली सुपर इजी टू बी फॉलोड एट होम. इसके लिए आपको छोटी सी स्पेस चाहिए, कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए, नो इक्विपमेंट एट ऑल. इफ़ यू वांट वी कैन ऐड सम वाटर बॉटल्स, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ऑप्शनल. अगर वो नहीं है दैट्स कम्प्लीटली फाइन. सो आई एम गोना ऐड दिस अमेजिंग सर्किट टू द रूटीन टुडे एंड टुडे वी हैव Taha with us who is going to join us for some amazing routine. Come here, Taha. So hello Taha, how old are you?
Yeah, I'm 12.
Okay, so he's 12 and he looks super excited for the workout. And क्योंकि बच्चों के लिए aerobic exercise, cardio workout बहुत अच्छे होते हैं और it works as a warm up as well. So we're going to start with that and then we're going to move on to some more workout that helps you strengthen the muscles, help you strengthen your bones and get flexible. Don't you want that, Taha? Okay, so everybody wants that. So let's gear up and start with our warm up. The first thing we're going to do is side bends. This is super easy. बहुत मजा आएगा. आप लोग मिलके बच्चों के साथ करें तो वो और enjoy करें. Okay, so standing with our feet wider and we're going to start with our right arm. 1, back. 2, back. Excellent. Are you doing great? 3, 4. Bend all the way. So you stretch that oblique while engaging your shoulders, upper body. Keep going. Few reps on the right and switching to the left. Stop and turn. 1, good. Keep going. 2, 3, keep going. Bend all the way. You feel the stretch in your oblique. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, guys, was it in fun now? So moving it to the next, we're going to start with marches. Some smart marching. Make sure your core is engaged. आप लोग के जो stomach के muscles हैं वो हम लोग अक्सर काफ़ी जगह पे engage कर सकते हैं but we leave it loose. So why not engage that by holding it tight? Keep marching. Excellent, Taha. You're doing great. Chest out, shoulders back. Warm up के लिए अगर आपने सिर्फ 50 marches भी कर लिए एक जगह पे खड़े होके, you don't need space to warm up. And you're done. Okay, now with jogging. Woo! Mini steps. Great. Good job. Kids get really excited. अगर आप उनके साथ मिलके करें, they will really enjoy this. Elbows forward and back. Okay, stationary jogs. बहुत ज़्यादा तेज नहीं करना है because considering it's a warm up. Deep breathing. Deep breathing. And stop. Can you feel the heart rate coming up? Okay, that's perfect. We're getting there. And the next one coming up is jumping jacks, which Taha is going to show you by keeping his feet shoulder width apart. Arms ready. And start. Jump up. Excellent. Keep going. Perfect. You're doing great. Make sure you jump on your toes to keep your body protected. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Good job. He's doing great. Okay, moving on to the next workout is let him breathe. अगर आपके बच्चों का आपने heart rate check रखना है, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि वो बहुत breathless हो रहे हैं, give them a 10-second break and then continue with the next workout. For them is going to be squats. So squats जो है हम लोग सिर्फ leg की exercise समझते हैं. It is an exercise for the entire body, especially for your core. ठीक है? And legs बच्चों की बहुत weak हो जाती हैं अक्सर, calcium deficiency and all these things. So their muscles have to be strong, and for that, squats are very good workout. So the correct posture for squat today, feet shoulder width apart, back straight, hands forward, very smartly. Bring your hips down as if you're sitting on an imaginary chair. Let's do it together, come on. 1, 2, excellent, perfect. Keep going. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This one's our favorite. Okay. So एक चीज़ का आपने ख्याल रखना है. Can you do the squat again, sir? Okay. कि make sure कि आप लोग के बच्चों के knees बहुत ज़्यादा आगे ना जा रहे. Taha's knees are also intact. He's doing great. But you have to teach them कि एक चीज़ का ख्याल रखना है कि ये posture ना हो. आप लोग के heels जो है, they should be tightly dug into the floor, and the hips are pushed out more than the knees are pushed forward. Simple as that. And again, let's jog a bit. Posture straight, look straight, chest out, shoulders back. Slowly, slowly. बच्चे excited होके बहुत तेज करने लगते हैं, लेकिन उससे they will not last for long. So to keep it going for longer, you have to control the intensity. Good. And let's give them a break of 20 seconds as a treat. Don't you need that? So moving on to the next workout is for the shoulder mobility. हम लोग जो इतनी देर तक देखते हैं कि बच्चे काम करते हैं अपने टेबल्स पे बैठे हुए, अपने गैजेट्स पे, और whatever they're doing, there's a lot of posture negligency. They sit for long hours and they're not sitting right, and the shoulder mobility is affected. So to engage them into such workouts, today we have arm circles. So बहुत मजे का है, बहुत simple है. Feet shoulder width apart, chest out, palms facing sideways, side walls पे palms face करेंगे, and we're going to make circles. That's it. Make sure कि elbow bend ना हो. The elbow should be straightened. Yes. And make circles. You can rotate your shoulders all the way. Engage your shoulders. Now we can make bigger circles. Yes. Very good. He's there. Keep going. So ये करते वक्त you will feel it all around your shoulders, your arms. Actually improves a lot on your body. Okay. Moving on to the next workout is wrist holds, and very simple. बहुत fun है ये. So all we gotta do is hand on the side. पहले हम right arm से शुरू करेंगे, and this arm is just for catching. So you take the arm all the way up and you pull. Yes, pull it close to your head. So 1, 2, 3, let's begin. Up and you pull it close to your head. Take it up and you pull it close to your head. Very good. पहले एक side पे करेंगे हम लोग, up and pull and up and pull. It's like catching the arm. Up and pull. Keep going. Very good. You have to pull that arm right next to your head and change sides, the other side. This looks simple, but when one does it, तो उसमें पता लग जाता है आपको कि कितने सारे areas आपके engage हो रहे हैं. Pull, go all the way up and pull. All the way up and pull. Keep going. Simple workout for kids to enhance their flexibility, mobility of shoulders. And that's it. Very good, Taha. Okay, moving on to the next workout. ये जो हमारे crunches हैं, जितने sit-ups हैं, we think that's only essential for the older people, for the people in 20s and 30s, but do not take them for granted. They are also for kids. ठीक है? ये सारे workouts हमारे core muscles को बहुत engage करते हैं, जो कि बहुत ज़रूरी है बड़ों के लिए, बच्चों के लिए, सबकी body के लिए. So now we're going to move on to a floor workout. And for that we'll be needing a mat. If you don't have a mat, that's completely fine. आपके घर में कोई भी rug है, कुछ भी है, just spread it and take your kids down to the floor. Okay. So now we're going to move on to some really fun workout, because this is the last workout for this circuit. This is for your abs and your core. उसके लिए हम लोग ने एक partner workout choose किया है. घर में आप बच्चों के साथ करें, they will really enjoy with you. तो what you gotta do is दोनों ने इस तरह से बैठ जाना है, and you have to keep your feet right there in zigzag posture. This one ahead too. Okay, so we both are going to go back all the way. Back, 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 back. Resist and come up. Clap. 1. Good. And 2. 3. Keep going. 4. It's going to be super fun. Make sure कि knees को जो है उनको control सिखाना है, ठीक है? शुरू में problem होगा, they're going to widen their knees, they're going to fall back, but gradually they'll get there. और इसी तरह से हमारा भी core strengthen होगा. Back and up. Good. Make sure your knees are closer. Very good. To make it more fun, you can even keep objects to pass on. एक ball ले लें हाथ में, pass it on to them, they'll go back and they'll pass it back to you. Okay. So that was the workout for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And ये पूरा circuit आप अपने बच्चों के साथ घर में कर सकते हैं, any age above 5, and they'll be. It's going to be super beneficial, super healthy for them, and just start with a workout with a warm up, and थोड़ा सा ही जो हमने शुरू में warm up किया उससे इनकी heart rate जैसे ऊपर आएगी. जितना बच्चों को बीच में break चाहिए, जो interval gaps चाहिए, you can always give them and provide them enough water. बहुत ज़्यादा overload भी नहीं करना. And one thing keeping in mind, make sure they're wearing comfortable shoes, and उनका जो meal है 2 hours पहले लिया हुआ. If they are hungry, just give them a banana right before the workout. Thank you for watching.